So we are leaving the Pine Grove Furnace State Park and AT Museum now, and we have 3 victors in the house. Raise your hand if you finished your ice cream. Our hands up, easy. You finished yours. Yeah, everyone finished their ice cream. Ninja went with vanilla and got 45 minutes. Easy went with Neapolitan and got 48 minutes. And Juke also went with Neapolitan and got 58 minutes. So all 3 of them were sub 1 hour. And I ate 2 scoops of ice cream and I feel fantastic.
Who's eating cheese puffs right now, Chaunce?
Yeah, Jukebox is currently eating cheese puffs after her half gallon of ice cream.
That's right.
So, who's the real winner?
We're at the beach. Jersey Shore. Yo, you want to go in? You want to go in?
Yeah, I'm gonna put my stuff right here.
I kind of do want to. What?
Hurry up.
Oh! Look at all these tadpoles. Wow.
Should I put those shoes on?
It's gonna be a slaughter if we walk into this.
Nah, the sand will cup them, don't you think?
We're gonna have to hop really far to get across them. Look at all of them. Whoa, look at all these ones.
They eat some of them?
I think so. So we went swimming in that pond and swam out to the second set of ropes, and this is officially the first swim of the season. Smells so bad.
Stagnant water. Whoa. Way to get it done. So we're on our way into Boiling Springs this morning. We woke up, I think, 8 miles out of town, and I completely forgot we were going to get there this morning until they said it at breakfast. So I'm excited for that, and it's it's getting a little rockier than it has been, but it's been kind of fun. It's been like really interesting looking. So far, I know it doesn't get too bad until the second half of Pennsylvania, but so far it's really nice. You found it? I'm right here, but I can't figure out where it goes.
I see a blaze, I see a blaze.
There's blazes right there, and then there's a blaze there, but I don't know where it goes from there. Oh wait, there's an arrow. There's an arrow. Haha, this is fun. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's the arrows.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, this is nuts.
Just a little rock climbing, start the day.
Why not?
Why not? Rock climbing with my pack on.
It's kind of fun.
You do this in Denver.
Yeah. Juke has taken a shin to the rock, as she calls it, and
No one makes me bleed my own blood.
yeah, we've got a little blood. Boiling Springs, 3.2. I guess I'm at Center Point Knob. I didn't know that this was here. But there's this marker for it, which is neat. Ooh. So I guess this is the outskirts of Boiling Springs. I saw a sign at, I can't remember the name of that viewpoint we just passed, but it said we were 3.2 out, so I'm assuming that's it over there. So it's flattened out, and I'm walking through these pastures, but they're like, it's like farmland. They're growing things. There's this stuff. I don't know what this is, but there's big fields of this. And then over on this side, you can see all the little ones that are just being planted and started to grow in lines. And then there's something that's a different color all the way back there. It's got like a yellowish green top to it. It's super cool following these. Turns out that this is not the trail, and once again I've gotten lost in the middle of some farmers' fields. So yeah, really cool stuff here, but it's not the trail. Nope.